I'm launching new website. My question is called how to promote your website using SEO off page. How to start? First question. Any SEO off page, first we can maintain by the proper keyword and proper information. Before finish SEO on page, we don't start by SEO off page. So what are the keyword you can promote it? Everything you can writing for your title, description, keyword. Without finish SEO off page, without finish of SEO on page, we don't start by the SEO off page. Anyone to promote your website, the total dependent by the keywords and locations. So what are the keywords are required? What are the keywords are required and your locations. This all location will be there by the your particular option. See this one. Home interior designers in Hyderabad, office interior designers in Hyderabad, top interior designers in Hyderabad, best interior designers in Hyderabad, top interior design providers in Hyderabad, home interior designers and decorators in Hyderabad. These are the people writing for office, restaurant interiors. People searching for a number of options. Everything will belongs to for into your option. Restaurant, bakery. People searching for different. But common keyword is the interior designers in Hyderabad. This is a common location. Before selecting keyword and a location, we don't start by SEO off page. Before selecting for keyword and the location, we now start by the option. So keyword is done and location is also done. Madhapur, Kondapur, Miyapur, Bachpur, Nizamapet, Manikonda, Gachibowli, Banjaras, Jubilees, KPHP, Kukatpalli, Srinagar Colony, Mamirpet, Sanagar. These are the locations. Ready for everything. Manikonda. This all belongs to for your locations. Once select your keyword and location, the main important is called your description selection. That is called your description selection. This is very important. The people can read the based on your description. So here I'm preparing description will be ready in this option. Add your contact details and you add your description option. This is your main important. Once finish your keyword and description, so you can start your promotion will be total SEO will be types. First one, SEO off page main purpose will help make your website and videos popular on the internet so we can get more visibility and traffic. How? When people come into your website, is a new website. How to know my website? People searching for in Google interior designers in KPHP. When people searching like this, my website will be top 10 list. How to give top 10 list? Based on the promote of SEO off page. Based on promote SEO off page. So that is called, we can give option for the visibility and traffic. When you're ranking your website first position, your keyword automatically generating by website traffic. Next one, within the on-page technique, we can get visibility in search engine. Without on-page, we know do by off-page. Without writing for title, description, keyword, we can't do the off-page. So here one question is there. Suppose sir, I can promote by my website without on-page. Can I promote? With on-page, your monthly traffic will be 10,000. Suppose. With off-page, monthly traffic will be 2,000. Which is better? Always go for on-page. So one is on-page, second will be off-page. With on-page, monthly traffic will be 10,000. With off-page, monthly traffic will be 2,000. So always along with on-page is better for the future traffic. In this first one, any website, first of all, index your website, search engine submission and backlink submission. That use option call is Google Webmaster and Bing Webmaster. One is manual is there, second will be automatic is there. You can use always using by the Google Webmaster and Bing Webmaster. Webmaster is mandated for the search engine submission purpose. Without webmaster, we don't start the website. Without Google Webmaster and Bing Webmaster, we don't start the website to promote your SEO off page. The option call is search engine submission. Second thing will be backlink submission. To promote our website, third party website, one is automatic, second will be manual. So in a first we discuss about the always automatic. In automatic backlink support only for home page. Automatic backlink support only for home page. In this famous website, we'll be using for the IM Talk, small SEO tools, using for NIM tools. These are the website backlinks. These are the famous website. Next one, Google site and Google bookmarks. We can index your keyword under Google search engine results using two options, site and Google bookmarks. Next, social bookmarks. This will be promote your keyword and number of website you can submit by the manual backlink purpose. In your website, how many backlinks automatically generated by the more traffic? Automatically generated by the more traffic. Next, classifieds. So what are the requirements? We can post your classified, we can get the leads. We can post the classified, we get the leads. This totally promoted by your keywords. SEO off page total dependent by the keyword marketing. They are promoted by keyword. That is called, you can generate by the website traffic. Any promotion of SEO off page, social bookmarkings, anything will be promoted by three options. Content marketing, image marketing, video marketing. The three dependent by the keyword and location. SEO off page total three promotion: content, image, video. These three will promote by based on keyword and based on the location. These two very powerful by SEO off page. Next, image optimization. How to get the image leads using on by image optimization. So people searching for keyword before India design is Hyderabad in a KPHP. Now click for images. So many images will be there. So I am clicking this image. I am clicking this images. They're going to which page? happyhomesdesigners.com is going to particular website. Why? This is called, we can generating leads through images. That is called image optimization. And next one is very important, article posting. To promote our article using PPT and PDF. The support by three formats: Word, PPT, PDF. But user visibility purpose we using by PPT or PDF. PPT convert by PDF. You can use Word document also, but is not usable. Content will be see the properly. So three is important: Word, PPT, PDF. Most will using by PPT and PDF. That is the we will make PPT for each keyword and then we will convert to PPT to PDF format. Then we will upload the PPT PDF files in different submission sites. Issue, SlideShare, others, and these are the website. Next one, video optimization. We can create a YouTube channel, promote your keywords, make the videos and upload by the your channel. This option. Next, blog commenting. Create your blogger, comment your links on your blogger website. Web 2.0 sites. The sites will be, we can create the site will be same like Blogger and WordPress. How many keywords can promote? You can create the Blogger and WordPress. Next, event creation site. So your any events are there. You can create the sites to on the event submission sites. Google is there, Facebook is there, and Evernote is there. Do attend is there. Meta event. These are the events. Any event you can promote. So I have the ceremony, an office event, an office anniversary. Can invite to any customers to create the events. Next one, Google and Yahoo groups. This will be three options: announcement, discussion, question answers. Announcement, discussion, and question answers. This website belongs to for announcement. Why? I can announcement my business. Discussion, something chart, how much price. How much did you charge? Last question answers. I'm writing question, you can give answers. That is called question answers. These three will be using by the Google and Yahoo groups. Announcement, discussion and question and answers. So this option will be discussed about total SEO off page. If anybody start SEO off page in interview question, without on page, we don't start off page. The reason is with on page, promote by SEO off page, your traffic monthly 10,000 you can reach. Without on page, we can start by SEO off page, the monthly will be reached by 2,000 traffic. They're promoting only two ways by SEO off page, referral and using by direct. But coming to this one, we can generate free traffic, SEO on page. Organic, referral, direct. Organic most powerful by the generating more traffic. That will increase your website awareness and website leads to increase your customers. Customers will be two types. New customer, existing return customer. The customer coming to multiple times your website is called return customer. So always we focus by the new customer using SEO off page. Always focus by new customer to promote can website always. First question is the based on keyword. Without keyword, we can't promote by SEO off page. Without location, we can't promote the SEO off page. Without on page, without keyword, without location, we can't promote the SEO off page. The totally we discuss about the 9 types SEO off page to promote your website. This is a total list. This document will available by the rocketechsolutions.com to study materials.